Certainly, the Internet of Things (IoT) has the potential to revolutionize the maritime sector by enabling better monitoring, control, and decision making. Here are some potential application of IoT in the maritime industry. Remote vessels and monitoring IoT sensors also can be installed in a ship to collect real-time data on the engine performance, the fuel consumption, temperature, and more. This data can be transmitted to the shore analysis, allowing for proactive maintenance and optimized operations of every vessels. Cargo monitoring. IoT sensors can track the condition and classification of cargo in real time. This helps in preventing damages, ensuring the proper handling, and providing the transparency through supply chain. The predictive maintenance. By monitoring equipments and engine performance, IoT can provide the information about an engine to maintenance it quietly, quick as possible. Environmental monitoring. IoT can help by monitoring environmental parameters such as water quality, emissions, and more marine lives. Also, it can accumulate data, can aid in complying with regulations, mitigating pollution, and protecting the marine ecosystems. Smart ports. Also, we know an AI ports or while on dockyard or certainly ports like AI operated machineries to provide more efficient and sustainable for maritime sector. Example, the crane of port that can use to move the cargo or containers through ship to port, then move it to the storage, and fastest and easiest way with using an AI. So that's all, and thank you.